So I wanted to show you some cool things about 3D printing and what we've done at our house to make it more fun. So these are some RZ cars. Let me show you a little bit about them. First of all, I was using it as a sunglass holder, but this is a tire cover. This is what they look like on. These have been incredibly helpful and incredibly useful in all terrain. So when I want to take this off of pavement and onto some mud, some grass, some dirt, these are what make all the difference. Now, you can buy upgraded tires, but they definitely cost you though. And what this does is allow you to use the stock tires and actually get a whole lot more out of them. So the other thing I want to show you, and I'll do it really quickly, is we have designed some body mounts. And the first part about them is just some Tpu washers. Not very different from the nylon washers that come with it. Now, if you look at these are the body mounts we put on. I printed them in different materials. This one is actually in carbon fiber, and it hasn't been fully assembled. As you can tell, the TPU little nubs haven't been glued in yet. But these are Ninjaflex little shock mounts for the top to really help preserve your body whenever you roll over or anytime the body takes a hit. So it's on both the front and the back mounts that we designed. And here you can see them on the vehicle. Now this is pretty neat. What it does is, let me show you on this Stampede. No matter how much you compress that tire, it's just not going to hit the body, which was a big deal on the Slash. So the other thing we did, check these out. Some Ninjaflex Ninjatech shocks. I don't know if you can see those very well, but they made a huge difference. Now I can't show you on camera, but that was a 5-foot drop and it barely moved. And when this goes over jumps, it plants itself afterwards. The stock shocks, they bounce a little, and they're awesome. Traxxas does an awesome job of making their vehicles, but what we can do to make them better and more durable through 3D printing is pretty amazing. So that's just one or a few of the things we've done with 3D printing that anybody can do. These are files I'd be more than willing to share with you just to have your RC experience be better. And honestly, for a little bit of money in a 3D printer, these kind of adaptations will give you more fun, more reliable fun, and instead of fixing your vehicle all the time, you'll be enjoying it that much more. If you want to bash and you want to go really hardcore with your RC vehicles, this is what you do. And this is one of the many reasons I own a 3D printer. One, it makes time with my kids a lot more fun and a lot less fixing. So if you want to see more cool adaptations or you're interested in these ones, give me a like, maybe subscribe, and I'll send them to you. Just send me a message in the comments and I'll give you my email and the STLs will be yours. Enjoy riding, enjoy 3D printing, and never forget that 3D printing is something that can really add to your life. It can really add to the durability and replaceability of your parts. If you break an A-arm, it's as easy as designing an A-arm, and the next day you have one. These days, with COVID and shipping, you might be 2 weeks without that part. With 3D printing, whether you own a manure spreader or you own an RC vehicle, you're going to be able to find some things you can print that'll make your life easier, get the job done quicker, and make sure that you have the most fun possible. And productivity. So, thanks for watching. Like I said, give me a like, maybe subscribe. If not, I appreciate your view. Take care. Have a great night.